This is Jennifer Blanchard, team leader of the Blanchard Team at Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of using a real estate attorney when you're purchasing or selling a home.
So the answer to that question differs from state to state. Since I'm licensed in New Jersey, that's the state I'm going to talk about. No, you don't need to use an attorney to close a sale or to make a purchase. However, you won't get any legal advice, and contracts are legal. So it's very important, I believe, for you to have an attorney to help you get through the closing. When we make an offer on a property or when we receive an offer on your property, that offer comes in the format of a contract. It's not binding because it's not executed. Only the buyer has signed it. If you agree to it or once we negotiate it, then you sign it. And then you have 3 days to get it to an attorney. If you don't get it to an attorney in that time period, it automatically becomes binding as written. That's really not something that you want. So you want to make sure that you have a good idea who you're going to use as an attorney, because sometimes you find a house fast or you get an offer quickly, and you really need to make sure that you have an attorney ready at the waiting. Now, I've never met a real estate attorney who has said, sorry, I can't take your contract. So real estate attorneys can juggle a lot of contracts. A couple things that I'm going to point out that are pretty important. How do you find the right attorney? You can certainly ask a friend. You can certainly ask the attorney who you use to make your will. Some of the things that I would make sure, though, is that you want to use an attorney that does 2 things. One, an attorney that does the bulk of his business or her business should be real estate. You don't want a litigator or a criminal attorney. Sure, by law, they could do it, but they probably would not give you the best service. And hopefully they would say to you, I have a better guy for you. So you want to make sure that it is somebody you know and that it is somebody that does real estate on a regular basis. One of the ways that you know that they do real estate on a regular basis is ask them how often they keep in touch with, or are they comfortable keeping in touch with your realtor. Because if I can't get in touch with your attorney, or if I don't have permission to speak with your attorney, really that makes some things kind of difficult. It's really good to have everybody on the same page, working towards the same goal. That said, I do have several attorneys that I use or I refer on a regular basis. Happy to give you that list, and you choose the one that works best for you. So there you have it. No, you don't need to use an attorney, but yes, you really should.